Hello, Camille. Dog, girl, I want to talk to you right now. Where are you? Girl, I can't talk about this over the phone, girl. I need to talk to you in person, girl. I'm in the parking lot, forward.
May I put on some clothes and come here?
Alright.
Kim, want to you? Okay, could you talk to me on the phone? Want
Okay, you know, say the picture of them mom take around so with the you know, so I left my phone at daddy house by mistake. I don't know what happened, my girl, but him see the picture of them. Man, all the time I say him not help me with my student loan no more, and some for leave him house because him don't want them thing there in him house. Right now, I don't even know what I gotta do. I'm stressed out, I don't have no money. You see me? I don't know what for the girl. I leave have nobody for turn to girl. But that's girl, I don't know what for the girl.
no worry
I
yourself.
don't know what for the
You understand? You can stay with me for the time being until him, you know, cause him kind of upset at the moment. You know, him will get over that soon. So for the time being, you can stay with me. You know, I don't have nothing to worry about.